morning. Panic seems to have got the better of market players globally as policymakers in the US and Europe struggle to stem mounting fears of double dip recession. The cuts have been absolutely brutal. What's worse, the mayhem may not be over yet. Risky assets have few takers while safe havens are being lapped up like there is no tomorrow. Gold is also being shunned as the dollar is trending. EM currencies have been butchered. The rupee has taken a big tumble, hitting a 28-month low. This erodes returns on Indian stock for the FIIs. Is this carnage overdone or will there be more pain? The answer is hard to come by this stage. One must adopt a wait and see approach. The start looks to be weak again as the Western markets suffered further damage and Asian markets have not recovered. We do not rule out a corrective rebound, but be careful as volatility will remain elevated. We advise caution if the Nifty stays below 4,900. The good thing for the Indian economy and market is that commodity prices are softening. If global energy and material prices remain reasonably low, we could see the inflation coming down, which in turn might prompt the RBI to end its tightening. FIs were net sellers of Rs 13.05 billion in the cash segment on Thursday, according to the provisional NSE data. The domestic institutional institutions were net buyers of Rs 7.43 billion on the same day. FIs were net buyers of Rs 5.16 billion in the F&O segment. The foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 3.33 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday as per the SEBI website. Mutual funds were net buyers at Rs 2.16 billion on the same day. Moving on to our recommendations, the technical calls for the day are: we advise buying HPCL above Rs 376 with a stop loss of Rs 368 and for the target price of Rs 392. Our derivative strategy for the day is short BHEL September futures between Rs 1,599 to Rs 1,602 for the target price of Rs 1,562 and a stop loss placed at Rs 1,619. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.